Okay, so hi everyone. I'm going to walk you through the very first steps. So let's start with Photoshop. You can see I have it opened. I've got the latest version, and I'm going to say create new. And now I have this whole window before I even start, and let's go back to the assignment and look at the requirements. So the final size of our piece needs to be about 17 by 23.5 inches with a 300 dpi. So let's make sure we put that in immediately. So 17 by 23.5. Okay, width 17. Make sure your unit here is inches, and then height 23.5. Here is where I put my resolution, so I want that to be 300 pixels per inch. I usually would have us switch to CMYK color at this point if we were printing it out, but actually RGB color is going to read better on the web, and since we're not printing these images out and we're just sharing them with each other on the internet, it may actually look better if we keep this RGB color. I like to have my background contents as white. We can also do transparent. Let's do that. And the rest we're not going to worry about for now. Make sure you save this as something you're going to remember. Underscore. I'm going to use that for now, but double check the naming guidelines to make sure we're doing that right. And then create. Okay, talk to you in the next